And that is a perfect day to be surfing it away. Look at all those surfers out there. They're waiting for that big, perfect wave. They're waiting for it. Da-da. And this is delicious. My drink is an orange creamsicle. And my friend, show them your drink. She got the, what is it? The lava flow. And it's probably about 70 degrees out here, so perfect. Well, you're still wondering about the Cherry Grove Pier? Well, let's check it out. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here on this beautiful Sunday checking out the Cherry Grove Pier. Now, they did have reservations or plans for it to be finished in October, but as you can tell, they're still working on it.
It looks like they got a little bit more to go, doesn't it?
I would think so. Looks like they're having trouble finding some workers. But there are some surfers.
So somebody's out here taking advantage of this beautiful day.
Heck yeah.
Bunch of surfers. And if you look down that way, you can see, what's that, Captain? Sea Cabin's Pier?
No, it looks like their pier was finished and that may be operating now. Look at those white caps rolling in. Isn't this beautiful? But as you can tell right here, it looks like they do have some new boards. And then over here to our right, as Beatbox can tell you,
the pillars.
I'll show you. Yeah, the pillars are ready.
And they're, I forget what the woman said last time, that how many, was it? It took 3 weeks to get one in or something?
Right.
Or something crazy.
It was.
Crazy long. But we'll walk around and see what it looks like. It's kind of high tide right now, so we can't get too far down into the center of it. But you see those pillars right there, Bunny B?
Yeah.
They're white. They're painted white.
Right. Just like those over there.
Just like these right here.
So they must be priming them or something, you know, getting ready to take on some, I don't know, maybe someone knows. They can comment below.
Right. Maybe that's the replacements, and they can comment if you know. Now, what pier is that down there?
Oh, my.
That's that one near the blockade runner or whatever, isn't it?
I don't know. Maybe we'll get in the car and ride down that way and check it out.
We just got us lunch right there at Driftwood Bar and Grill. Well, we didn't get lunch. Yeah, we got
appetizers.
Appetizers. So yeah, look how high it is. It's coming up almost to the structure, the building structure. So here's a little bit. You see the railing gone?
Yeah. I don't know. It looks like it's not going to be another month. I'm thinking maybe another year.
I don't know, maybe.
It's okay. It's still beautiful out here, and you can come and sit and watch the ocean.
That's right.
Look at that. I thought it was a shark tooth Beatbox.
Look at this. So here's all your Cherry Grove Pier, Boardwalk Beach Cafe, Prince Resort at the Cherry Grove Pier, and Driftwood Bar and Grill. And this is the Prince Resort, which we featured on one of our top 10 here in North Myrtle Beach, and we'll probably do one of those
very
again
soon. Yes.
Shortly, yeah. Here's a look toward Myrtle Beach down there, way down there. Looks exact opposite as when we're down there looking up this way.
That's right. Okay.
We'll get back on this side of the pier. we just wanted to, since we were down here on the north end, we wanted to come and check out the status and see how far along they have come. And it looks like they've got a little ways to go, huh?
It does. And while we're down here, one of our friends, great day, that water's cold. So while we're down here, our friend's never seen Bolinose grocery store, so we're going to take her in there. But we did do a video on that, and if you do get down here, you definitely need to check it out because I just think it's absolutely amazing. A 2-story grocery store. What?
Bolinose IGA.
Yes. It's so cool.
Check out that video if you get a chance.
Check out that video. Well, if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button, ring that bell notification, and always make sure you subscribe because you know it's free. As always, keep beaching on this beautiful Sunday and see you in the next video. Ooh, it's coming in hot.
Wipe out.
Oh, look, what's that?
He had to stop before he went into the pier.
Are you crop dusting? And I'm walking behind you.
Huh?
Are you crop dusting and I'm walking behind you?
I can't believe you'd even say that on film.